Here's how you can make infographics go viral by using Canva and ChatGPT. If you want to create one of those viral going infographics by using AI, you can use ChatGPT plus Canva AI for it. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. You need to log in or sign up. It's free, so go ahead and do it. You can also stay logged out, but that way your data won't be saved. What you need to do is go onto the sidebar and click on GPTs. Here you'll need to find the Canva one. You'd get this in the feature tab. If you don't get it in the feature tab, just go ahead and search it. Here now you'll need to prompt it the type of infographic you want. Just give all the details that you have about your project and ask it to create an infographic for you. Just for an example, I'm gonna write this prompt. Make me an infographic about health tips that can go viral on the internet. I'm just giving it a basic explanation. You can give all the explanation and details that you want according to your project. As you can see, in just seconds it has created me not one but two different options of the details I said. I just gave it some basic details, that's why the project has come out as a basic one, but if you give it more details, it will create a perfect project for you. If you want to change anything, just prompt it, for example, change the color, change the font, or whatever you want in your project. It will also give you a link which will take you to the actual Canva project where you can also customize it yourself. That way you can do as many changes as you want by yourself. And this is how by using Canva and ChatGPT, you can create infographics that can go viral on the internet. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.